to install and set up Visual Studio Code from scratch. First, we want to go ahead and navigate to our browser, and then we need to search for Visual Studio Code. And the link you want to navigate to is going to be code.visualstudio.com, and I will leave a link to that down below in the description. Go ahead and click on this, and once you come into this page, it will show the download for your operating system. In my case, I'm using Windows today. If you're using a Mac, this will say download for Mac. Go ahead and click on this, and from here it's going to go ahead and start installing a file that you can use. And if that doesn't automatically install, try this direct download link here. And if you guys have any more problems, you guys can reach out to me directly through the comments of this video. Once you install this file, go ahead and open it up by clicking on it. First, it's going to take you to the license agreement. Go ahead and review this and then hit I accept the agreement and then click next. And here it's going to show you the default folder where it's going to go ahead and install Visual Studio Code on your computer. For now, we're just going to leave this as the default folder path and click next. Next, it's going to take you to the select start menu folder, and for us, we'll just leave this as the default, but you can change it if you want and click next. Next, it's going to give us additional tasks that we can choose from. In our case, we want to go ahead and leave these last two selected because they're for the default installation, so that will make sure that it works. And for us, we also want a create a desktop icon. So we'll go ahead and select that one, and we'll leave the second and third option blank for now and go ahead and click next. In this menu, it's going to show you everything that you selected for your installation of Visual Studio Code. Go ahead and review that and make sure it's correct, and then you can go ahead and click install. From here, it'll take a few seconds to about a minute to go ahead and install, so just go ahead and let it run its download. Once it successfully installs, it will show you the completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard, and you can launch Visual Studio Code directly from here. But in our case, I'm going to go ahead and deselect this and select finish. From here, you guys are going to notice that it adds a desktop icon where we can open Visual Studio Code. If you didn't select that option, you can go down here and search for it and open the program this way. But for now, I'm going to use the desktop icon that it created and go ahead and open Visual Studio Code. If you have any questions or run into any problems at all, go down below in the comments and I will respond to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped out.